Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Well, today's shave soap is brought to you by HC&C. If you remember my unboxing video, I purchased this soap a while back, and it's a very nice, clean, crisp scent. I'll try to put the scent notes right here, but if you're interested, it's going to be bergamot, jasmine, some patchouli, I think some juniper. Got that lathered up here in my HC&C stainless steel bowl, and this thing whipped up a lather like no tomorrow. Very nice. Using my Trotter's Handcraft brush. Got the matching tiger milk. And today I'm going to use the Game Changer razor, but Chad, you got me. I went ahead and ordered the plate, the 1.05 Game Changer plate. I couldn't take it. I resisted and resisted for quite some time when I seen that it came out, but part of me was a little bit reluctant to buy it because I love the 0.84 so much. And let me just look here. It's ever so slightly different. You're not going to be able to see it on camera. All right, so I'm using the Gillette Silver Blue, and this is the second use for this blade. I feel like this is going to be a nice shave, and it's probably not going to be a whole lot different than the 0.84, but I'm going to find out with you today. I ordered that, I think, on Sunday or Monday, and it got here on Thursday from Canada. Lightning speed. Wow. All right, so let's go ahead and get lathered up here for pass number 1. I'm feeling a little more spunky, but my sinuses are still kind of acting up. I think I'm in the clear now. Oh yeah. I do have almost 3 days worth of growth. Coming up with a late video here. We went out last night to a friend's Christmas party, and my wife made me stay out a little longer than I had expected. Near 2:30 when we got into bed. All right, so let's go ahead. Getting another message. Got to check here. Everything's still recording. All right, pass number 1. Nice. I can't say that it's drastically different. Maybe a touch more blade feel, but not by much. If I could pick this versus the open comb, hands down, the open comb would win. I feel like it's a little smoother. Not a disappointing feel, but I like the open comb a little better. Gonna make me break out the old micrometer to see if there's really that much of a difference. You can't really tell it. It should be a little bit more significant, I think, than what I saw. Let me just check the bottom plate here. Yep. It says it right there. 105. All right. I thought it was going to be a game changer. A real shave difference. Not that much difference. Pass number 2, across the green. You know, I feel like we're halfway through December already. I can't believe it. Where has the time gone? That I will ask you, my friend. I feel like this shave is going exceptionally quick. I'm also thinking I need to try some other blades in this as well. I bet the Nasset or the super thin will probably be nice. Let me get cleaned up with some cold water and I'll be right back. I am back and I did a pretty nice job reducing the stubble. I'm going to use the old Tiger Milk EDT Aftershave Splash. Thought I had enough there. Gonna chase that with a little mentholated Star Jelly. Nice. All right, I'm gonna put a little picture right here of everything I used today, and I will see you guys on Wednesday's shave. You have a great rest of your weekend.